Alright, so for the panhard drop, so far it seems to be pretty straightforward. The nut on the outside is 19 millimeters, and the bolt on the other side would be a 17 millimeter. And you're just gonna take that off, and you should be able to wiggle it out. I don't even think you really have to use this jack at all. Slide the bolt out, and then try to wiggle the drop bar up into its space. So I was having a hard time actually getting this bracket to fit over this, and it's because these little pieces, like pieces of metal that come out right here, and I just kind of like tapped them back with the hammer. And I'm just gonna do this side, see if that's enough to get it on, and if that's not enough, then I'm gonna kind of tap this side too, and it should be able to fit on then. So I had to go back and tap both sides, like I said I might have to before, and then now I'm just slightly tapping the bottom of this with the hammer to move it up into the spots it should be in. I also think it'll make it a little bit easier if you remove that bracket that goes from right here to down there. Alright, so I got it in. Pretty easy. Probably less than 40 minutes. Definitely the easiest part of the subframe drop kit to install. So this is what it looks like. It fits around, and then now the panhard bar is pretty much level, maybe a little bit lower on the left side, just barely though. I guess that's good.